Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video on how to search things using the Penn Foster library. So you're going to go to your little menu option over here and you're going to click on library. Okay, and then it gives you the options for high school, career, or college. So because we're doing the vet tech program, we're going to click college. Okay, so I gotta remember, I haven't done it in a while. So we want to go down to, let's see. Let's try that. Oh, you know what? Never mind. Here it is. It's all the way down here. So it's the A to Z database list. So go to A to Z list. And then I think the most common one is this top one, Academic One File Select. It was formerly the Expanded Academic ASAP. That's the one I use most of the time, so I'm going to click there. And then it brings us to this page, so just search whatever topic you want. So let's say we want to search vaccines. We're going to click on that. And it's going to give us all of the different articles and books and all that from peer-reviewed subjects, I can't talk today, peer-reviewed stuff. And that's pretty much it. You click on whichever one you find interesting, make sure that you cite your resources, and you should be good.